FlightHubcom reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. Booking flights online can be confusing, and most people get this wrong by assuming FlightHubcom always has the lowest fares. The surprising truth is that FlightHub is a legitimate travel booking platform offering competitive pricing, but fees and timing can affect the final cost. Ticket prices vary based on destination, airline, travel class, and booking time. For example, domestic flights may start around, while international flights can exceed $0 for premium seats. FlightHub includes a booking fee, usually per ticket, which covers customer service and online support. What you get: access to multiple airlines, price comparison, flexible search filters, and customer support. What you give up: site booking fees, occasional fare differences with airlines directly, and variability in seat availability. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare prices with other booking sites and airlines. Step 2. Check cancellation and change policies. Step 3. Sign up for alerts to catch deals. Step 4. Book early for high-demand routes to lock in lower prices. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore fees or airline terms. The total cost may be higher than expected. The surprising truth is that FlightHub provides convenience and transparency, making it easier to manage travel planning. In conclusion, FlightHubcom is a reliable travel booking platform offering competitive pricing with some fees. By understanding ticket costs, policies, and timing, you can get the most value for your money and avoid surprises when planning your next trip.